Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I couldn't make a video during the weekend because I was very busy, and I just decided to make the video now. Alright, so we will be doing a top-down analysis on Gbpusd, and we will be starting from the weekly time frame as usual. And this is my screen right here. Alright, so what can we see? We can see that we are in an uptrend in the sense that price is giving us an upward movement, right? We have higher highs and higher lows. Basically we are bullish, right? And in as much as we are bullish, it's not possible for price to just continue moving in one direction, right? And that is why we have pullbacks. Okay, so now you can see that we are very bullish. Look at how LD this bullish candle is, but I'm expecting a pullback. One is because if you can look at this very closely, this high has not been broken yet. Let me dive down to the lower time frame so you see what I'm saying. This is the 4-hour time frame. That candle that we saw on the weekly time frame, that's very LD. I think this is the height of it. So we have not broken this recent high yet. I think this is from last week. So we have not broken this recent high yet. So we don't have a break of structure to the upside, and this means that it's the bullish momentum is not continuous yet. We're in an up. We are in an up. Lord have mercy. We are in an upward trend, a bullish trend, but this high has not been broken yet. Until this high gets broken, we can't start to look for buys yet. I hope you understand. So now let's go back to the weekly time frame. So yeah, now on the weekly time frame, we can see how LD this bullish candle is. It tells us that we are very much bullish as at now, right? But this high has not been broken yet. Let me see if I can use this trend line. So yeah, this high has not been broken yet. So what we will be looking out for is retest, right? In my opinion, I would not advise you to trade retest. You are only to trade according to a trend, right? Meaning, if we're in a bullish trend, you should only take buys. Don't take. I mean, the market is risky already. Why would you want to put yourself in much more risk? So I would not advise you to trade against the trend, right? But my point is there's a likely pullback, and that's what we are here to analyze right now. So now that we've not broken this high, we expect that price takes a sell, right? Now a sell to where do we expect price to sell to, and where are we looking out for buys from, right? So yeah, well, like from what I can see, I would say there's a concept of break and retest, but like as a support and resistance trader, you could be from here, you could expect buys from here, but this doesn't feel very safe as there is this gap here. So it would be from here for me, from here, because this is a recent high that price broke, which price is likely to retest before continuous buys, right? So I'll zoom out now, and I would like to pick my bias from here for some reason, because yes, this area is an area of resistance, right? But then this area, this particular region was supposed to be support, right? In this case, this was supposed to be support in this case, but it got broken, and it was invalidated. So this is where I would like to take my bias from. So I will just draw a line so that this can guide us on our analysis. Let me use a rectangle instead so that we have a scope and we're not just focusing on a line. See this region? This is my target. I'm trying to see if I can catch price from here. Yes. I'm going to lock that in. Yeah. So this makes a lot of sense to me because number one, this is also a strong zone in the sense that if you go to the lower time frame, you see what I'm saying. This is a very strong zone as well because price has used this place as support and as well as resistance. If you see this, let me go down to the daily time frame so that it's clearer. But like I want to pass my message on the weekly time frame first. I'll show you how it is on the daily time frame and on lower time frames. You'd see that price has used this area as both support and resistance in the past. Yes, price will most likely react around here, but it's not satisfactory enough for me, right? So that's why I'm picking this area. So if I was to buy, it's going to be from somewhere around here, but like let's go to the lower time frames to see what we have on there. So now on the lower time frame, you can see that we used this area too sometime as an area of resistance, right? This particular one. Let me delete it. Oops, no, that was not the intention. Yeah. Yes. So you will see that this was an area of resistance in the past as well as here, right? Now, it was also used as an area of support which got broken, right? But it was support. So this makes it a very strong zone where price will most likely retest. I'm sure most people will focus on this zone because it's pretty obvious. But sometimes price will just do its thing and take everybody out. And so to be safer, my own area of interest or point of interest will be around here, and I think I've explained my reasons. So yes, now this is the daily time frame and it's quite clearer. I think this is no longer useful. So yes, this is not useful as well. So I'm expecting price around here before further buys. Because we are in an uptrend. And if you look here, you can see that this was the recent high, right? Right here, which has been broken, meaning the bullish momentum is continuous. And if it was not continuous, we would have seen something like a wick here, a candle wick showing rejection, right? Showing rejection, showing that price is unable to go higher than that as at this time. But this is very healthy. This is a very healthy candle. So yeah, we are still very bullish. Whatever is happening now is just a retest. So my entry will be from here. I'm waiting for price here. Once price gets here and I get my entry confirmation, I see signs that price is about to continue bullish, I will enter for a buy, right? I'll enter for a buy up to this next strong zone, this next obvious strong zone. So yeah, that is it. Let's see what we have on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, it's still pretty much the same thing. Still pretty much the same thing. So the idea is would let price do its thing for now, and once price gets to our point of interest, would enter for a buy. So I'll be looking forward to something like this. Something like this. Let me look for a reasonable high. I feel like this is too far. Let me check the weekly time frame for a reasonable high. Okay, this could be one. This can pass. Yes. All right. So we have our TP1 and then our TP2. Because the market is still very bullish. It's just retesting. Right. So this would be TP1. Yeah, TP1. This is TP2. Yeah. So now we have our TP1 and TP2. All we need to do is wait and let the market do its thing, and we enter for a buy if we get an entry confirmation. And that's it, really. That's it for GPUSD for this week. All right. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next week. Bye.